Message of Peace from Indonesia by Dayang Suryani. I'm an English teacher and I teach the students in States Senior High School 1 Balikpapan, East Borneo, Indonesia. Here, I'm trying to describe the meaning of peace to my life. And I have made an acronym of the word peace. P. Peaceful is what everybody needs. You and I and everybody outside there, they need peaceful. Because by having peaceful, their life will be comfortable. Empathy is there for those who are sincere. Don't you feel sad seeing the children with no facilities to study virtually? So this is the time for us to show our empathy and build awareness that they need our help. When we have more phones, more connections of internet, it's time for us to build empathy and to help them by providing phones and internet connection. That's empathy. Guys, changes are always challenging. We cannot do it alone. We need friends to do that. That's why we need to collaborate each other and to struggle, because by being together, we can be strong. Education will change everything to be better. I'm so happy seeing my students can actively participate in every single teaching and learning process. They're smiling, they're happiness. It's actually energy for us to give more innovation and to give more power so they can run their life successfully and happily. For that reason, let's unite and collaborate. We are supposed to work together. We are supposed to hand in hand, because all for one and one for all. If we are together, success is possible. I'm Dayang Suryani from Indonesia.